Hey, what's up, everyone? I wanted to just hop on here today and show you how to drain cauliflower ear yourself so that way you don't have to go and see an ENT. It's actually pretty easy and I have done it before, but I've done it with this ear. And as you can see, this ear has a little pocket there of blood and fluid after some hard rolling. So I'm going to show you how to properly go about draining it. That way you can just do it yourself. Before I get into that though, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for my YouTube channel. That way you can get more content as I release it. But yeah, as you can see here, it's pretty big. So a couple things you're going to need are alcohol prep pads, okay, and some insulin syringes. These happen to be 1 milliliter capacity and 31 gauge insulin needles. You can just go to the pharmacy and just buy them over the counter. So we'll put this down. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna take an alcohol prep pad. Make sure you wash your hands or at least sanitize before doing it. All right, so I'll go ahead and just wash my hands. Obviously, you don't want to get an infection or anything like that doing this, so just make sure your hands are clean. So you're gonna take an alcohol prep pad and you're just gonna wipe down the ear nice and well. And then you're gonna take your syringe and you're gonna take off this plastic part, and then this holds the needle. You're gonna pop that off, all right? So with this, you're gonna stick this in right where there's the tender spot, and you can feel that little pocket, so. So to help get the needle in, you may want to just hold the ear a little bit, get it all the way in, and then you're just gonna slowly pull. As you can see, there's quite a bit of fluid that comes out. And then when you're done, you can slowly pull it out. So that one, obviously there was a little bit more in there. And you may have some residual bleeding, but it's really no big deal. Just take, a Kleenex and just wipe it off. Apply a little pressure. But as you can see, a lot of it was just fluid that had collected. There's gonna be a mix of fluid and blood. This cauliflower happened to be around now for, I would say, 3+ days. So if you wait too long, you may start to get other fluid besides blood, but As you can see, looks much better. And so you can give like a little tiny squeeze just to get like extra fluid out. But if you look at that, that's pretty much 70 units of fluid in my ear. So this is how you do it yourself. Obviously, if you are afraid of needles, you may want to have someone do it for you, but it's really no big deal. It doesn't hurt. And then what you want to do is you want to put the cap back on. Make sure you don't poke yourself. Don't push the syringe either. And you want to put this maybe in a can or in a bottle and just toss it in the trash. All right. If you don't have a sharps container, which I don't. So you can go ahead and just put this in a can or in a bottle. All right. So that is how you can drain your ear yourself. As you can see, it's much better and it's not as sore and it feels like there's some pressure that's been relieved. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe and share it. All right. Talk to you guys later.